హలో నమస్తే. మరికొన్ని గంటల్లో వ్యూహం సినిమాస్ విడుదలకి సిద్ధమవుతోంది. ఆర్జీవి డైరెక్షన్లో అజ్మీర్ అలాగే మానస ఇద్దరు కూడా ప్రధాన పాత్రలో అంటే వైఎస్ భారతి, వైఎస్ జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి పాత్రలో నటించారు. ఎన్నో అవరోధాలు ఆటంకాలు దాటుకొని ఈ సినిమా విడుదలకు సిద్ధమైంది. సో ప్రస్తుతం మనం ఇక్కడ ఆర్జీవి డెన్లో ఉన్నాం. షూటింగ్ పార్ట్ అంతా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. పోస్ట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ వర్క్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి. సో అంతా హడావిడి కనిపించేస్తుంది. హీరోయిన్, హీరో అందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. ఆర్జీవి గారు కూడా ఉండి థియేటర్స్కి సంబంధించి అలాగే రిలీజింగ్ ఇష్యూస్ పైన అన్నిటిపైన ఫోకస్ చేశారు. సో ఒకసారి చూడొచ్చు ఆర్జీవి డెన్ లోపల ఏ విధంగా ఉందో. ప్రస్తుతం ఇక్కడ హీరోయిన్ కూడా ఉన్నారు. ఒకసారి అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. తనకి ఈ ఆఫర్ ఎలా వచ్చింది, హైదరాబాద్ ఏ విధంగా ఉంది, ఈ సినిమా ఏ విధంగా అనిపించింది, ఆర్జీవి గారి డైరెక్షన్లో నటించడం ఎలా ఉంది అని. హాయ్ మానస.
Hi.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ? కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్.
Thank you so much.
రైట్. హౌ ఇస్ హైదరాబాద్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్?
I love Hyderabad. I have to say that it's a lovely city,
ఓకే.
and especially the weather, the people. So it's really good to be back to Hyderabad.
ఓకే. వెన్ యూ స్టార్టెడ్ యువర్ జర్నీ, ప్రొఫెషనల్ జర్నీ ఇంటూ మూవీస్ యాక్చువల్లీ?
So I was a child artist.
Okay.
I've acted when I was young, and then yeah, so it kept on coming after that, and that's how I landed up here at Vyuham.
ఓకే.
Name is P. Ramgopal Verma. Sorry. Okay, he's come back. Yeah. You just continue that, and I will see you.
Sir. So, this is the situation you face every day, Manasa, with RGV sir?
No, I mean, so I was very scared of Sir in the beginning because
Scared?
yeah, because he's like a very big professional, and so acting with someone like that was kind of scary for me because I didn't know how he would be on set. Like, would he scream if the take went wrong?
Okay.
Or if he would not be patient and all that. But then Sir makes his actors very comfortable. He's like very sweet to his actors. Like he makes sure that nobody worries on set. So later I got to understand how it is to be on set, and I was comfortable.
Yeah, Manasa. See you in RGV sir direction movie, Vyuham. So many of Telugu states people waiting for this movie especially. Why? Because you are played YS Bharati role. So did you met her? Bharati garni kalsara?
No, I wasn't lucky enough to meet her, but I think I was really lucky to play a character like YS Bharati Garu, who's so honored and loved by the people here.
Okay.
So I understand that when I post pictures from Vyuham of me looking like her, so I have a lot of people like showing their love for her, which I get to experience too. So I'm really, really lucky that I got to play this character.
Okay. How you got this opportunity? Actually, RGV sir is very known to create good characters in movies. Actually, he will choose a lot of similar characters when he directing one movie. So similarly, you have same features like YS Bharati Garu. What is your best compliment you got doing this film?
So how I got into the movie is, I don't know, one afternoon I got a message from Sir's office,
Okay.
which I definitely didn't believe it was from Sir's office. So I thought it was someone just using big names, to get attention. But then I understood it was actually from RGV Sir's office. And then I got to know about my character. So I was already on cloud 9 by then.
Okay.
So when I got here to Hyderabad, we did our look test. So it was way different from what I could think of myself being Bharati ma'am. So it was like our makeup team, our costume team, and Sir giving his inputs. So it like completely transformed my look
Okay.
into the character.
Bharati Garu, like
Yeah.
Bharati Garu.
So when we used to have these crowd shootings, so people used to actually look at me and they used to be like, "Oh, Bharati ma'am." So
Okay.
I used to feel so lovely to hear that.
Okay. Have you seen her before interviews or speeches or photos, visuals?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I know what she is,
Hmm.
but then I personally don't know.
Okay. Are you waiting to meet her?
I would love to meet her, and
Okay.
let's hope it happens someday.
Okay. In release of this Vyuham or Shabdam time?
I'm not aware of,
Hmm.
but let's see.
What RGV sir told on that? He ready to take you to there?
uh, No, we didn't have a conversation like that.
Hmm.
So yeah, I don't know if there's anything planned, something in the line, but
Okay.
I'm not aware of anything as of now.
Okay. How is the experience working with RGV Garu in this movie? Especially, this is one of the extremely um, biopic of political journey of CM Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and his wife, right?
Yeah.
So, what is your toughest tasks and easy to do this movie?
So the thing is that there is no easy day on set. So it's
Okay.
like, so I asked for my lines beforehand so that I can learn my lines because I'm not really good at Telugu. So that day I would like learn all my lines and come to the set. Early morning, sir would rewrite the whole thing and give a new scene. I mean, he would just change the lines entirely. So there was not an easy day on set. Every day we had to like put in a lot of effort, and I think that's the most accomplishing thing to do on set. That every day you have something challenging coming up. So I think we had a really great experience working with Sir, especially Sir being someone who likes to take the maximum from his actors.
Okay. When you started shooting this film, did you get any calls or messages to threatening you why you are doing this movie, why
No.
you chosen this movie? Because it's political biopic and it's very and a sensational story too.
No, I haven't gotten any such calls or messages.
Okay. And how is your working experience with Ajmer?
So Ajmal and I, we've already done the movie together. So this is our second movie.
Okay.
So yeah, we've already had a good rapport, and so this time it was very different, being two real life people. So we had lots of work to be put in. So it's easier when you do it with someone you know. So that was our advantage here.
Okay. While watching YS Jaganmohan Reddy Garu, Bharti Garu on screen earlier before starting this movie, what are the attractive things?
I like the way both of them smile. I feel like it's very much from the heart. I love their smiles. And I also like how they are together for each other. So that's something that, I've wanted to try and include when I do my scenes with Ajmal. So I always try to keep that in mind, that they're very supportive of each other and they're always there for each other. So yeah, I've always kept that in mind.
What is your feel after listening this story?
No matter how hard their life might be, they're also humans. So there are a lot of things and emotions that I can relate to from them. So that's what I picked up.
Okay.
They might have an entirely different life involving politics in that, which I am not fully aware of. But still, there are elements of being happy, being sad, which of course everyone can empathize. So
Okay.
that was my point there.
Okay. So, which is the toughest scene in Vyuham?
I would say all scenes because Sir would keep on changing them every morning, and
Okay.
so it's like no matter how prepared you are, when you be on set, it's a new thing. So you have
Okay.
to learn everything from the morning.
Okay. And very naturally presence you are on screen. Actually, Bharti Garu also, she will always looks in a very natural attire, like a cotton sarees and chudidars. Especially, she will wear more chudidars. In film also, you chosen that only or
Yeah.
anything difference?
Yeah, we've always tried to keep up as much as real as we could, adapting to how her style was. So I think our costume department did a great job in picking up, the dresses, the colors, and the models that were used.
Okay. And what is your upcoming projects in Telugu?
Right now, I'm doing a Malayalam movie.
Okay.
So that's what I'm going on with.
Okay. And how is Hyderabad especially connected to you? This is your starting journey through films in Hyderabad, right? That's why I'm asking what is your favorite foods or hangout spots?
I don't think so. I've explored enough to give an answer here, but I love Hyderabad, especially for the weather and for the people here. Like, when it comes to shoot and when we go outdoors, everyone is very supportive and they love to watch the movie happening. So, so that's the reason why I love Hyderabad.
Lot of people will dream or will expect a movie with RGV in their professional period. automatically, very suddenly, you got a call from RGV sir.
Yeah.
So, what is your feel on that?
Yeah, like I said initially, I didn't think this was, you know, something true. I thought it was someone trying to prank me or something, because I wasn't expecting it to happen.
Okay.
And even when they keep telling me that they were calling from RGV sir's office, you know, in the back of my head, I kept thinking that, you know, this is some prank.
Okay.
Um,
Before that call, you know about RGV Garu?
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, so my mom, since my mom's time, you know, like she keeps talking to me about the songs from Rangila and about Sir's classics. So, you know, if you pick up the top directors of our country, it's like Sir's name is always there in that list.
Okay.
So it was beyond my imagination that, you know, I got till here.
Will you give us any expression of YS Bharati Garu?
No, I don't think so I can do that,
Because now people will see how is the real life of Bharati Garu.
that would be
One simple expression while eating or while sitting, while discussing.
I don't. See, the thing is that behind that, there's a lot of work, a lot of preparation, the things that Sir tells us, the story, the scene. So over there, it's very natural to come, but here, it's kind of difficult.
Just try. One dialogue about Bharati Garu's
No, I think you should
character.
go to the theater.
We'll go and watch, but
It's a surprise.
off-screen dialogues we are expecting.
See, if
one
I show
dialogue.
you that now, you'll lose the suspense. So you have to
No,
go to the theater.
actually, the thing is, we all know the story of YS Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu and
Yeah,
Bharati
but,
Garu.
This could also be a narration, no? So you
Yeah.
should always go to the
But
theater.
just for audience and fans of yours from Telugu
No, it's a
states,
surprise.
one single dialogue.
No.
And what are the special elements in Vyuham? Why people should watch this film?
The special elements would be that
Because already Jagan Mohan Reddy knows the Telugu people and entire in India, and Bharati Garu also known person as a wife of CM Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. Then why we have to watch it?
if I was someone who was not involved in this film, I would go for the movie to see the narration from Ram Gopal Verma sir's narrative, you know, from his point of view, how the story unfolds. So I think that's the best thing about what I can talk about this, because like you said, everybody knows the story from the beginning to the end,
Okay.
but the detailing is what Vyuham talks about.
Okay. While releasing of this movie, Vyuham, there are a lot of challenges and legal issues also. Did you get any tensed or
Yeah, I was very worried because you know, we had to like keep postponing our release dates. So you know, I'm new to the industry. I don't know what's going to happen, and so I was kind of worried during the censor time. But then, yeah, I always thought Sir would have a plan, and yeah, it's of course, you know, it's about politics and cinema together. So there might be issues, but
Okay.
I think we can resolve it. So I was
Okay.
positive about it.
Okay, you did YS Bharati Garu's role, right? But after listening this entire story and narration, completion of this movie story, who is your favorite character in real life and real life? Entire in this political satirical movie, of course. In real and real, who is your favorite character?
I would still say it's YS Bharati Garu, because that's the character that I've tried to love a lot, to make it a part of me.
Okay.
So I'm still, you know, deep inside, I still love that character.
Okay. Why? What are the reasons?
Because it's mainly for the reasons
Which
that
things more you attracted?
I think it's not very easy to keep supporting your partner when, you know, things are going south. So even while in crisis, to constantly support your partner and to be very strong, I think it takes a lot. And yeah, so that quality of her made me love her a lot, and I love her smile also.
Okay. What is your message to CM Jagan Garu and Bharati Garu on this movie from our channels to there?
I don't know. I just hope they will like to see our movie and they'll like how we did them.
Okay. What message you give if this interview will watch Bharati Garu?
It's a request that I want to come and see you.
సో వైఎస్ భారతి గారిని ఆమె ఖచ్చితంగా కలవాలనుకుంటున్నారు. వై? బికాజ్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడం కాదు, ఆ క్యారెక్టర్ గురించి విన్నప్పుడే ఆమెని ఇష్టపడి చాలా ఇష్టంగా ఆ క్యారెక్టర్లో నటించడం జరిగింది అని చెప్తూ ఉన్నారు. మానస వైఎస్ భారతి గారి రోల్ వ్యూహం సినిమాలో చేయడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఇంటర్వ్యూ. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏ ఛానల్కి కూడా తను ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు, అసలు తెలుగు రాదు. ఆర్ యూ ట్రైంగ్ టు స్పీక్ ఇన్ Telugu?
I
Any
can
words?
understand Telugu,
Okay.
but I'm still scared to talk.
Okay. Are you learning?
Yeah, I'm learning, but
Okay.
Telugu seems a little bit hard.
Okay. Just any 2 words in Telugu?
Bagunnara?
బాగున్నావు. ఇంకా అంతేనా? దట్స్
అంతే.
దట్స్ ఓన్లీ వర్డ్ యు నో.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay. Right. What is your dream characterizations or projects in Telugu? In which direction of the directors you wants to work?
I don't know. I would just love to do more films in Telugu. So, you know, I never dreamt of doing a Ram Gopal Varma sir's movie. So, yeah, I'm just not keeping any names. I'll just take it as it flows.
Okay. What is good part in RGV garu?
Sir's dedication
Huh.
and how sir is like very strict about time. sir
He's
does
very
not-
strict actually.
Yeah, sir does not waste a minute on set, and
Hmm.
I've never come across such an experience. So it's like sir, you know, he's always on his feet. Like, you know, he's like, he wouldn't waste a minute.
But so many Telugu people call him most controversial, most sensational director. Is it true? He's controversial?
I don't know what you mean by controversial, but I can only tell you what I saw. So I think sir is very sweet and kind to all
Okay.
his actors on set.
Okay. Right. Thank you so much, Manasa. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
And we wish to you going to be meet YS Bharti garu soon.
Thank you so
Wish
much.
you all success.
Thank you.
సో ఇది రియల్ లైఫ్లో అంటే భారతి గారి క్యారెక్టర్ చేసిన హీరోయిన్ మానస గారు ప్రస్తుతం ఇంతవరకు కూడా మాట్లాడారు. ఎంత ముద్దుగా మాట్లాడుతూ ఉందో కదా. సో సినిమాలో కూడా అలాంటి క్యారెక్టర్తో మనందరినీ వ్యూహంలో అలరించబోతూ ఉన్నారు. తన కోరిక ఆర్జీవి గారి డైరెక్షన్లో చేసేసింది. మరొక కోరిక భారతి గారిని కలవాలని, అది కూడా నెరవేరాలని కోరుకుందాం. విష్ యూ ఆల్ సక్సెస్.
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మానస.
Thank you.
దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫర్ నౌ.